our application is coming to life. In this video, we are going to display all the categories here. So let's go ahead and then implement that. I have already provided the template for displaying all the categories inside the component, and then the template. We have it as post categories, which is this. Copy that and then place it inside the post here, or even inside the categories. Yeah, this one. Here we are going to pass categories as a prop when we call it inside the post list component. So let's go ahead and then let's get into the post list, or better still, we can fetch the post here. But remember, we want to filter out post by category. When a user click on the category, we want to filter out all the posts by the category. That is why we are going to use this one inside the post list and pass the categories as a prop and then the onChange handler. Let me show you how we're going to do it. Here, let me resave it, and now I'm on the post list component, which is this. Now, let's bring in the post category component as that. And we have the categories down here. I think we don't have the categories here, but we did it on the creation of the post. So let's go ahead and then fetch the categories. And we have the logic on the creation of the post, which is this one. Yeah, this one is for fetching the categories. So let me select all and then remove this comment and back to the post list. I'm gonna paste this one and let's require these guys. And here we have a variable here as data. So let's rename this one to categories. And let's call this one over here. And as you can see, we have the post category here as the component. For the meantime, let's ignore the filtering and let's just display the categories. So here as categories from the use query here. Awesome. Now save it and let's see. And we have all categories here, meaning that we are not displaying or looping through the categories here being passed here as a prop. Over here, this is where we are looping through. So let me uncomment it as that. Awesome. So here we are taking the categories and then loop through and then display the category name and then also the number of posts associated with this. For the meantime, let me comment out this. And then for this one, let me change this one to button for onClick as button. Okay, save it. And now let's see. For some reasons, let's see what is wrong. Map is not a function. Let's see inside here. We used what is called categories. Yeah. So let's log the categories here to make sure that we are getting the categories as a prop. And let's see. Okay, supposed to be dot categories. I think we have it here as categories. So let's make some conditions. Well, this is weird, right? So let me use dot length. If I'm gonna have, yeah, I think I have undefined. So it's supposed to be categories dot categories. Yeah, I believe that. So let me see. And now we have 5. So here it's supposed to be categories dot categories as that. Okay, now it is working and we have these categories. Awesome. So if I go ahead and then add new category, for this one I will say other. add and go to post list, and we have other here. If I create a new post, let me say new, and then let me bold it, and then let me say YCSS, and then let me copy some dummy text, paste it, and then change and select other, and the image, this one, or something visible. Okay, let me use this one and add, and then latest post, and now we have other category with one post. So now what has left is that when I click on this, I want to filter out all posts by category. Let's continue in the next video.